Let's see how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. First, open your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Click on the official website. Then click Download for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, double-click to open the installer. Accept the terms and conditions. Then proceed with the installation as usual. After it's installed, open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions section. Install the following. First, Code Runner. Then, Live Server. Next, install any extensions you need based on your programming language. You can search for Python, Java, C++, and so on. Finally, click on New File or Open File, depending on whether you want to start a new project or open an existing one. And that's it.